there's like 4 pillars that I always harp on. It's the title, the description, the tags, and the hashtags. These are the 4 areas that are really going to affect growth. So keep in mind, this is a dead channel. Haven't done a stream in a long time. But here's an example of how metadata will directly affect what happens. Okay, so this is over the last 90 days. Remember, keep in mind, have not uploaded, have not posted. So this is just a dead channel. I did my SEO. I redid my SEO, went in, fixed some videos, rearranged it, swapped out some tags, whatnot, on this day. This is the next day. Literally the next day, I got 10 times my normal subscriber rate. A little more. Over the last year of not uploading shit, just doing the metadata, outperformed my whole channel over the whole fucking year in one day of doing metadata. And then what that did was it set me up for this little burst, right? Usually I average around 100. I did my metadata around here or something, somewhere around here. And then up. There's a demand all of a sudden. People want sleep streams for some reason. There's a demand. Since I optimized my videos, you see the views. You'll see the impressions. It's a direct correlation to doing nothing except for metadata. You can see the impressions. Impressions almost doubled. Just by doing fucking metadata. So that's like a very small example of how it will affect your channel.